Notice your breathing. No need to breathe in a particular way. Just notice the fact that you're breathing. Notice your posture, the fact that you're sitting down, or lying down, standing, walking. Notice points of contact between your body and the chair, or perhaps your body and the bed. Notice the feeling of your clothes against your skin. Perhaps the feeling of your feet against the soles of your shoes. Now notice sounds. First notice sounds from within the space that you are in. Now notice sounds from outside the space that you are in. Now notice the furthest away sound you can hear. Now return to noticing your breathing for a time. And whenever thoughts cross your mind, return gently to your breathing.